Hey yo, it's Chris O. I'm just about to do this water stop. This is how it goes. Like I've broken its back here. This is where my screen goes, where that aluminium is. If any water soaks through the grout, it will not come past that aluminium. Josephine. We just poo it up with polyurethane. Like so. Pop it into place. Like so. Right, that stops any water. And then you have another one at the front here. And you pop it in like that. That stops if there was any water that came out. That stops it. And that is slightly... Boy, this stuff gets everywhere. My tile is 10 mil and this is 6 or 7, what is it, 7 mil, so it is below my grout line. I will have my tile cut through there and then another piece put in there. I was going to go a full piece and I am able to do it, but putting the water stop here is better than out the front there. So that's why I'm going to have a cut piece there, that's all cool. That's good. No biggie. What else do I have to do? Nothing. Just make sure your ends are bogged up. DIYs, bog up your ends. See, this is the trouble. When you get a curved, when you're doing your polyurethane here for your waterproofing and you've got to curve it, you curve it, yes, it gives it strength and all that jazz, but it can be a pain when you're fitting stuff like this because you're wanting a nice square fit and you're not able to, but you get around it. You get around it and it's all good. Okay, we'll see you soon. This is Chris O. I'm going to cut these and start laying this floor, and then I come back tomorrow and I start on my walls. I do my walls tomorrow and the next day I'll have my walls done and then grout it up. That I'll do tomorrow because it's way easier to cut in when you're standing on the top. It's faster, you're not reaching over. My niche there, I have put some glue in there to give it a bit of slope. I'll waterproof that tomorrow. I can do a couple of coats while I'm doing my walls. It'll all be dry and fine and hunky-dory. So yeah, I'll carry on with this floor now. We'll see you soon. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you would. Tell your mates. Share my videos. See you soon.